Okay, 2,000 feet. We'll enter the pattern at 1,500. Actually, that's not it. It's just past that. Because we're still 5.5 miles away. Iowa City traffic, Cardinal 909er Pop X-ray is 5 to the southeast speed, inbound for the right downwind on 12, Iowa City. There it is, I got the airport site now.
Where?
It was that spot, right over there. Yeah, you'll see it in a minute.
Traffic, Cessna 909.
Like that guy was saying my call sign, but his radio cut out. Because he said 9er and then it stopped.
I feel like we're about to fly like right over it.
Oh, it's right there. We're landing on this runway right here. I see it.
I mean, you're the pilot, I trust you.
Yeah, I see it. Start getting her slowed up. Alright, there's 1,500. So heartbeat check.
Cessna 909 Mike Romeo is turning base at 432. So.
Iowa City traffic, Cardinal 909er Pop X-ray is in the right downwind for runway 12, full stop, Iowa City. Okay. RP check one more time. Alright. Flaps coming on, 10 degrees. We're going to stay out here because this wind is going to blow us right into the runway. Pulling 50 mile an hour right here.
Jeez. Oh, is that it right there?
Yeah, the one we're parallel with, see it?
Yeah.
That's the one we're going to come in on. But we are crabbing like crazy. Look out the correction.
Yeah.
Feet, we're looking good. Airspeed's good, about 97. Lower up when we get in the turn. And Iowa City traffic, Cardinal 909er Pop X-ray is right base, 12, full stop Iowa City. Alright, here comes 20 degrees of flaps. Full flaps. Iowa City traffic, Cardinal 99 Pop X-ray is final, 12, full stop Iowa City. Do me a favor when we come into land, just keep your eye on that runway there. Make sure you don't see any other planes, okay?
Yep.
That sun's gonna be right in our face.
Yep.
That's alright though. Looking good. Speed's good. Runway clear, Nicole?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. We'll level off. Power off. And we'll just roll down the runway, flaps up.
Thanks, pilot.
Oh, you're welcome. That sun is bright.
Sun is bright.